AEG Cleaning Services is a carbon-neutral company. Life today is hectic and there is no reason to believe it will slow down anytime soon. When life gets busy, one of the first things to fall by the wayside is the cleanliness of your home or business. That's why it's so important to make sure you have professional cleaning services you can rely on. Free time is precious and few people want to waste it scrubbing floors and disinfecting. We at AEG Cleaning Service have enjoyed tons of success due to our ability to step up when needed and provide a service that improves the overall health and safety of any given residence or business in the area. AEG Cleaning Services is a carbon-neutral company. If health and safety are two of your priorities when looking for a cleaning company, make sure you choose AEG Cleaning Service as your cleaning company, because we offer premium eco-friendly and carbon-neutral products as standard with every clean. With our carbon-neutral services, you can expect attention to detail and meticulous work. The only difference is that we will only use products and techniques that will not harm the environment or fill your home or business with toxic chemicals. Many people are still under the impression that the only way to keep their home or business clean is to bombard it with chemicals and let the toxicity linger freely in the air. That no longer applies. Green cleaning products have come on leaps and bounds in recent years. Not only are they still better for the environment, but they provide the same disinfection with better overall health. The benefits of carbon-neutral cleaning services. Indeed, green franchises like AEG Cleaning ensure that you receive top-notch carbon-neutral services. From routine office cleaning and carpet cleaning to specialized services such as end-of-tenancy cleaning and deep cleaning, you can count on us to provide quality results with a minimal carbon footprint, improves and ensures health and safety. Green cleaners use carbon-neutral products authorities have deemed safe and effective. This means that there are no harmful chemical fumes released during cleaning. In turn, this improves air quality and thus makes your immediate environment healthier for everyone. Reduces the risk of contamination. Using carbon-neutral cleaning products ensures that there's no risk of contamination. In particular, you don't have to worry about chemical runoffs that can poison the soil and groundwater. Minimizes pollution. Aside from using green and sustainable cleaning products, carbon-neutral cleaning companies make it a point to use biodegradable or reusable products. Thus, there is less waste and all that gets disposed of can be broken down naturally by microorganisms. About AEG Cleaning. Our cleaning products are carbon-neutral and come as standard with every clean we provide. If you would like to secure the services of a professional cleaner, then please visit AEG Cleaning at our website www.aegcleaning.co.uk or call us on 0207 998 3113.